Alright folks, so I'm just going to do a quick unboxing with PlayStation DuelSense charging stations. The reason why I bought this is because I already pre-ordered the upcoming PlayStation DuelSense Edge wireless controller, which I can't wait to get. Unfortunately, I have to wait until January 26th, which they will begin to ship out next year. Yeah, the controller is like around roughly $200. Plus, I also pre-ordered the stick module, which allows you to you can swap it, replace with different stick caps like high domes, low domes, or standard caps. But anyway, I just want to cut to the chase. So this is the front cover of the box. So let's turn it aside. Yep, you just get a charging stations, AC adapters, power cords, and instruction manuals. Yep, so you can hook up like up to 2 DualSense controllers, but I'm planning to get the DualSense Edge wireless controller. So this is like a premium version. Yeah, so let's open this up. Alright, so let's see what we have. Here we have instructions manual. Yep, pretty much self-explanatory. Here we have is power adapter. That's where you hook up the power cord. And this right here, I believe this is where you hook up the back of your DualSense wireless charging station. We have here is standard power cord, and this right here, this is where you connect to your power outlet. It can be power strips as well, so make sure it fits. Well, this is actually the North American version, so yeah, it should work no problem. Since I live in the United States. And last but not least, we have the DualSense charging station. So yeah, you can just hook up to 2 controllers. You just simply line up with these magnets, and once you hear the click, then it should be able to recharge the controller no problem. On the back of the side, yes, this is where you connect this power connection to charge your controller. Okay. All right, let's see. All right, let me take this off. Okay. Turn aside. Simply plug it in. All right. Okay, then last one is the power cord. Really simple and straightforward. All right. Now just hook at this power adapter. Just line up these holes. Okay, now it's in, and I just gotta plug in the back of the power strip. Okay, it's in, and that's about it. Fortunately, I still don't have the controller with me, but I did, however, pre-order the DualSense Edge wireless controllers. I'm gonna get next year around January 26th. And after that, as soon as I get my hands on my new wireless controllers, I'm going to do unboxings and reviews, which I can't wait to do it. I'll be really happy to review that. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you find this video useful. So take care.